So this is a tutorial for test and paper. We'll learn in this of how a test and paper works in the software. So first of all, we need to go to the test and paper module shown in the admin panel. After going to the test and paper module, we need to first create a folder for which the question papers would be into it. So here two question folders have been created. If you want to create any new folder, just click on add new and you can type the folder's name here. For example, I'll just be putting it as MCQ test and then save. After creating that, just click on MCQ test and click on add question bank. You can put here the name as question bank or anything as per your need. After making the question bank folder, click on question bank. Then you can add the questions by clicking on add new or import questions. Once you click on import questions, this is how you can import the questions of all together. For suppose you just download the sample MCQ Excel sheet. Once you do that, a sample MCQ sheet will be downloaded, which you can view as this one. And when you open it, the Excel sheet will open with the desired you say format of the questions and the four options. Okay, this is the Excel sheet format which is here. Already one question will be added just to give you a knowledge of how the format works. So here in the first box we need to add the question. Then if you have any image regarding the question, then the four options, that is A, B, C and D, then the correct answer if it is A, B, C or D, and then accordingly if the options option A, B, C and D have any kind of image, so it isn't compulsory, but if you have any you can upload the same thing. Also, if you have a solution of the following question, put it to be down, that also could be put down, and the solution of the image. Once all the questions can be put up in the same format, after putting up all the questions, what you need to do is just save this either on your desktop or on the PC, wherever you feel like, and then just need to go to the upload Excel sheet, select the language MCQ type and just click on upload sheet. As soon as you click on upload sheet, what will happen is all the questions will be uploaded into the test MCQ sheet. If you don't want to get that done, the other option is add new by uploading one question. How that works is just click on add new and the same format appears here. First the question, like I'll say who is the president of the country. Okay, the question is here. Then if you have any image regarding the question can be put up here. In the four options I'll just be typing as of now only ABC, XYZ, OP. See, this is just a demo shown, so I'm just putting up any question D, E, F. These are the four questions and accordingly the correct option is option A. Okay, once this is done, just submit it and that question would be added up here. After this is done, you can add another question. I'll just be showing you one more question. Like in the questions, I'll be writing which is this fruit. You can put up the image of that fruit over here. Then suppose apple we put it, so I'll just put this apple here, the banana, orange and mango. Okay, after putting the two options, the right option is, for suppose the image is of an apple, so option A, and submit. After doing all of these things, what we need to do is now we have imported all the questions into the question bank and the folder. Then we need to go to test and paper. After going to test and paper, we need to add new a test. Select the department whichever you want. Say I'll suppose finance, grade 1. Quiz type, name if you have any, I'll keep it the same as MCQ test. Description same, MCQ test, that's it, and then submit. Now the test has been added. Now what we need to do is add form question bank. So 0 questions added to the test. We can just go to custom, click on the MCQ test question bank. 2 questions will be shown here. Just add the section, say question section. Marks per question 1, total questions you can keep it as 3, cut off accordingly 1, and save. That's it. Select the section, book this as mark. Next, select this question, book the same question as mark, and both the questions have been selected. Then we have to click on add bookmark to paper. Again select both the options, both the questions, and done. Now in the MCQ test you can see the number of questions are shown as 2. You can publish this test accordingly from the start time and the end time. Give the duration of the minutes, and if you want to apply it to the students or parents accordingly, and just publish it. Once you publish the test, the student can log in into his account through the mobile app itself, and in that the online test module will be shown, where he can go in the desired time given here. Whichever time you have selected, as from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, he can go between that time anytime and give the test accordingly. So this was the test and paper module.